How to change Bitmoji on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your Bitmoji on Snapchat. Whether you want to update your outfit, hairstyle, or completely redesign your avatar, this guide is for you. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the Bitmoji icon, which can be seen in the top left corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the profile section, what you can do is just tap on your Bitmoji avatar. And now here, you can edit your Bitmoji avatar as well. Now here, if you like, you can change the face feature, hair and eyes of your Bitmoji avatar. If you like, you can also go back and there you can simply change outfit and accessories for your avatar. And here, if you like, you can also take a selfie picture to update a Bitmoji avatar as well. So here you can choose the option you want, and once you're done with that, what you can do is just tap on the save button, which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And here, once you do that, the new Bitmoji avatar will be created. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.